Baron Pierre de Coubertin, a visionary French educator, is renowned for revitalizing and modernizing the Olympic Games in the late 19th century. Drawing inspiration from ancient Greece, Coubertin sought to leverage this historical tradition as a catalyst for contemporary international understanding, friendship, and peace. Envisioning the Olympics as a vehicle to unite nations through peaceful competition, he aimed to promote a spirit of sportsmanship and unity. In pursuit of this vision, Coubertin founded the International Olympic Committee in 1894, assuming the responsibility of organizing and overseeing the modern Olympic Games. The first modern Games took place in Athens in 1896, marking the commencement of a global sports movement. Coubertin's ambition was to create an event that transcended national and cultural boundaries, emphasizing values such as fair play, cooperation, and mutual understanding among individuals from diverse backgrounds. Paris first welcomed the Olympic flame in 1900, hosting the Games for 1,226 athletes from 26 nations and held as part of the World's Fair. Sport competitions were spread out over several months from May 14th to October 28th, 1900. Let's revisit these games, which featured a wide variety of sports, some of which were quite different from the ones we see in modern international tournaments. The 1904 Olympics marked a significant milestone as the first Olympic Games hosted by the United States, held in the vibrant city of St. Louis. The event was characterized by a blend of successes and challenges, reflecting the complexity of organizing a global sporting spectacle amidst the backdrop of the World's Fair. The Games featured a diverse array of sports, from traditional events like athletics and swimming to unique competitions such as tug-of-war, roque, and even an Olympic golf tournament. However, the participation was notably low. Few top athletes outside the United States and Canada participated due to European tensions caused by the Russo-Japanese War and travel challenges. One of the most enduring legacies of the 1904 Olympics was the marathon, which turned into a saga of endurance and perseverance. The winner, Thomas Hicks, famously consumed strychnine and brandy during the race, highlighting the lack of regulations and medical oversight at the time.